Oh, look at this kitty cat. Oh my goodness. I feel something nibbling at my leg and it's this little thing. Oh, wait, look at him. Gato. Cute. You know I gotta break it off a little piece of food. Poor thing.
Yo, so, some people we are here, you heard me? Represent the ocean food. They come to CJ7 here, bro. More later, we gonna show you the hood, the real hood. How Dominican people real live, you heard me?
The real streets? The real streets.
The bullshit.
Alright.
They're gonna see later, they're gonna see.
We're gonna go to the real streets of Sosua later. We're gonna check out the real streets of Sosua. If the streets I've shown aren't real enough.